Hi viewers and welcome to the AB Auto channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install a car battery on a Mercedes-Benz. So what happened is I put this battery in about 4 months ago and it decided to fail, and a car battery should last at least 4 to 6 years, not 4 months. So I'm going to be replacing the battery, and I'm going to show you how to do that. When you get your new battery, it's very important that you remove these vent caps at either side, because that's where the battery needs to breathe. So you can use like a pair of scissors and just wriggle that one off, and then you've got one at this side which you need to take off as well. So I needed to use a flat-headed screwdriver to get that side off, and then just remove these caps. And now it's ready to go inside the car. Managed to wrestle the battery in, which I don't want to show you that on camera because that's boring. But basically, just make sure that the positive lead is pulled behind here, so it's not in the way, and then just try and tuck the earth cable away as well. Then you've got your bracket here down, that goes down there. Then with your 10mm nuts, you secure them back down at the side. So what you do now is, so when you disconnect a battery, you always remove the ground cable first, and then you always, after you've disconnected the ground, then you disconnect the positive. So when you put the battery back in, it's the same but in reverse. So first we put the positive on first, then so the positive goes back on first, like that, and then the negative one goes on. All you have to do is tighten up the terminals with a 10mm socket. So then when your terminals are nice and tight, so negative to negative, positive to positive, that is how you install a car battery yourself. Save yourself a lot of money, because places like Halfords charge you £50 to put a car battery in when you can just simply do it yourself at home. Thanks for watching the channel. As always, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.